Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Well, let me tell you, maybe there is a new way that can help make your ride safer. And that is maybe there's audio alerts.
There is. I use it. I like it. I actually like this. Uber was kind enough to send me this in my app this week. It says new audio alerts to promote safe trips. Hey, sure. Hey, Sergio. Hey, Uber. To bring more transparency. I'm not sure what transparency has to do with any of this, but then let's go with transparency. And peace of mind, Chris. Okay? They're piloting, and I'm one of the pilots, I guess. A new feature that notifies riders upfront when drivers are recording their trips. I thought that was the case already, wasn't it?
I thought so too, especially in California.
I was like, I have a dash cam.
Especially in California. Well, I mean, if you, but you have the option to register the dash cam on the app, and then that way it was supposed to alert the passenger, but allegedly maybe it's not. Or you know how they do these circles. They recircle everything, and they're like, oh, hey, don't forget about this thing that we have. We have an audio alert. And the audio alert will actually help. We'll send it to the passenger, let them know. And it's like, dude, this has been around for like fucking 6 years, man.
I have the seatbelt one on. For sure. I like that one.
Yeah.
Nice. Because a lot of people get in my car and they got a nice roomy car in the back, and then they don't seatbelt. They go, can you please? Instead of me saying buckle up, create some tension, I'd be like, I have the volume up, and I go, it says, buckle up. And
the other nice thing is cars now, they have the sensor that knows if somebody's sitting in the car and not buckled up, and it will ding annoyingly. So all you got to say is like look, you don't want an annoying ride, my car will yell at you if you don't put your seatbelt on. So just get it on.
No, I would definitely tell them if they're not gonna, because in an accident they get thrown around and it's a huge fucking lawsuit on me. Because we're gonna talk about that in a minute, indemnity clause or a new indemnity agreement. So if you record your trips using Record My Ride or have a dash cam registered in your Uber app, your phone may play a short reminder at the start of the trip to let riders know. First of all, California is a two-party consent state. I have to have stickers outside the car so people, before they get in the car, they know they're going to be recorded. That's number one. I have had occasions that I don't use the Record My Ride on the phone. I use my dash cam. But I've had notifications before the even passenger got in the car and I get in and I swipe it over. The notification shows up saying that this ride is being recorded. I'm going like, you fucking recording me?
Because the passenger's recording you.
The passenger's recording me. I'm like, okay, I'm recording you, you're recording me, thumbs up, let's go. And then so clear communications about safety helps set expectations early. When riders know recording is active, it can encourage respectful behavior. It absolutely does.
I do.
I is the biggest deterrent on the planet, for sure.
Yep. And, you're not going to get everybody. You're still going to have people that are morons. They're not paying attention, especially drunk people.
They're in the cloud.
Who don't know. But I mean, the reality is it is an absolute deterrent. So if you don't have your dash camera yet, man, get it. You need
for
it.
Sure, get a dash cam. And then what you have to do nothing. It says, okay, well, thanks Uber for the notification. And you can go into your settings and turn this specific notification on or off. My seatbelt is on. I guess, I don't know. I mean, I don't think this is that big of a deal. But if you're in a one-party consent state and you don't have to have stickers on and anything else, maybe you should use it to let your rider know that they're being recorded. So,
I mean, you get the stickers through like $5 on Amazon. You can get like 2 or 4 or something. I put them on the back seats and had it on the front just in case passengers get in the front and whatnot. But this definitely a deterrent. I didn't need to tell anybody I was recording. Doesn't matter. That's the beauty in New York. But you want to sometimes, because then that way it will be a deterrent. And then there's other people that are like, oh, I like that. That's awesome.
Yeah, no, I think
it's probably great for you. I mean, how many I've heard that how many times saying, oh yeah, that that's great. You got a dash camera. Other people have, when I get into their car, they'll tell me horror stories or something, and it's like it's got to be nice and safe. And it's like they get it. I've not had one problem with a dash camera at all.
Yeah, no, dash camera.
And if you got and here's the thing, if you got somebody that has a problem with dash camera, you don't want to take them.
Yeah, that means they're up to no good, or they're about to throw up all over your face. So, yeah, dash cam is a must these days. Maybe not 10 years ago, but today, for sure. Yeah, with society,
I would have even said that 10 years ago, because you had all the. I mean, that was the beginning of the say my name crap. That was the beginning of a lot of passengers trying to pass the buck and create false reports and stuff like that. So those types of things really did help. So I mean, you needed one. You needed one then. You need one even more now, though.
Yeah, no, dash cam is definitely a good thing to have.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.